Every day, in every way, we get a little closer. Alright, we're going to drive some purists crazy. I'm going to use the trim as a flange. I'm going to use the top sill as a flange. I'm going to use the bottom sill as a flange. We're as square as I can get with the pieces that I got, but we're going to cut to fit. Well, let's see how bad we bound it up. That's beautiful. Got our Dutch doors, or the beginnings of them. Now we're going to put a screen on the back side, and then we're going to cover it in plastic, and that'll suffice for the winter. Be able to come in and go out of the bottom door. If it gets warm, we'll open the top door here, top door back there, and it'll vent just fine. It's going to get dark on me, so that's as much door as I'm going to build tonight. We ought to be just fine. It's going to do what I need it to do. That's doors on the cheap, actually. One more double set back there and we'll be good. Little screen on, then the plastic's going up. We're going to be able to set some tables and start doing something probably this week. Yeah, Scott, this one's for you. Scott, I told you I was putting screen up. Nothing like having the phone ring when you're balancing on one foot. Well, Scott, I didn't fall. Almost. Well, it ain't too bad. Got to put a little more screen on these. All I got to do is put up a couple tables, stretch some plastic, and you know what I'll say? Come on, let's plant. So we got it all buttoned up. We got doors, we got screen, we got the plastic all the way around. Top doors can open to vent. Top door can open to vent. All I have to do is get a couple tables in here and we'll be ready to plant. So if it looks like it's going to be a halfway decent day, we just pop that top open, let her vent. If it's a nice cool day, keep the top closed, in and out the bottom. That's my idea anyhow. Well, we got the sheeting on. It's a whole lot warmer inside than it is outside. It's not too bad out here right this second. So I stretched the plastic as tight as I could stretch it and sandwiched it between scrap lumber that we had laying around. Around the bottom we have a little fill to bring in. I left the plastic hanging on the door, that way it covers any air gaps. This took me just a little longer than I thought, but I think I did pretty good by myself. This is a pretty good sized little building. So if you want to see phase 1, click there. Phase 2, click there. Phase 3, click there. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.